As the warm weather approaches, we're getting prepped for one of my favorite activities, outdoor cooking. Grilling and barbecue season is almost here, so it's time to get your tools ready. Lucky for you, we found the best place for all your grilling needs. Cookina is celebrating 10 years as a family-owned business designing and manufacturing quality reusable grilling, baking, cooking, and storage products. Now, in the past decade, they've eliminated well over 400 million rolls of aluminum foil waste thanks to their customers who have made the switch from single-use to reusable. Now, with a rapidly growing customer base and their brand in over 12,000 stores in 8 countries around the world, Cookina is getting huge. Their best seller is the reusable Cookina barbecue mat, which can be used with virtually any type of barbecue or smoker. The mat can be cut to size, so if you have a round barbecue or a small portable one, just cut the mat to fit your grill. You can use either side of the mat, and each is 100% non-stick, so no need to use butter, oils, or sprays. You don't even have to preheat the mat. Just place it on the barbecue and start grilling. And look at that, perfect grill marks. Now, one of the best features about this reusable mat that sets it apart from others is that it never smells like the last thing that you cooked. And you can easily grill small and irregular shaped food without a fear of food falling on the embers. Not bad for a product that's also a great ecological and economical alternative to costly single-use aluminum foil. Reduce your impact on the environment and extend the life of your barbecue. Purchase your reusable Cookina barbecue mat on Amazon or at cookina.co today.